Let me show you how you can add custom brushes to your brush collection in Photoshop. Alright, so the first thing you have to do is to press the letter B on your keyboard to activate your brush feature, and then you go to your brush panel right here. Alright, so I'm going to click this arrow. Now ensure that the folders here are all closed, and then you go to where you have this gear icon right here, and then you go to where you have import brushes. Now it takes you to the folder where you have your brushes on your PC already. So I'm just going to navigate to mine. So this is the folder right here. I double click to open. So now these are the brushes I want to bring into or import into my Photoshop. So I'm just going to go with this very one. Let's go for any of them. Let's try this brush collection 9. I click once and I come here and I click load. So it takes us back to our Photoshop software, and let's see. Alright, so as you can see right here, this is the brush collection we just added. And then as you can see, these are the brushes that we have inside this folder. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to create a new layer. So next up, you press the letter B on the keyboard. So what you do next is to come to where you have the brush panel right here. You click it and then you select any of the exact folders. So these are some of the brush collections I have on my PC. Alright, so I'm just going to take the one I just added, which is this underline brush 9. I'm going to open the folder and I'm going to select any of the brushes I want to add. So let's say I want to add this very one. Click this and then ensure your caps lock is turned off. And then I'm going to let me zoom out my screen. Oh, so I've already added it already right here. Now you can reduce the size of your brush. Okay, just click this and let me reduce it to I think this is okay, to 182 pixels. You can also increase it. Okay, you can increase it as you want to. I think this is fine. So this is it. So as you can see, I've added the brush to my project. Now I can also change the color. All I need to do is to come to the color palette right here, click it, and I select any color of my choice. So let's go for a red, and let me change the brush now to another one. Let's go for this one. So I come and then let me resize it. You can always resize it, the brush, increase it. Now you can also, let me just show you a quick shortcut. You can use the left bracket key on the keyboard, sorry, the right bracket key on the keyboard to increase the size of the brush, and the left bracket key to reduce it, like so. So let me add this one here. I can add it here. I can change the color, and then let me go for a blue, and then add a blue brush. So this is how you can import brushes, and also how you can add brushes to your project in Photoshop. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.